Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and I'm super happy that I'm back with this video. This was one of the most requested video on my channel, and finally I'm doing this and I'm super excited. But before I start this video, I really want to thank each and everyone out there. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for appreciating my work. Thank you so much for always sending so many messages on my YouTube video, my messenger, my WhatsApp, and I really love reading each and every of your messages, and I really love how you guys always motivate me to create something new, to work on something new and come up with a new video. It's all because of you guys. Thank you so much. If I have not answered to your comments or your messages, I'm really sorry. I'll do that really soon. And one more thing, if you message me on WhatsApp or Facebook, that is something which I am not very active on. So it's better if you comment on the YouTube videos. I'll be able to reply you back very soon. So that's just a little request. Otherwise, everything is good. And now back to our varnish. I'm so sorry I'm having my coffee because it's my coffee time and I need to have a cup of coffee this time. Okay, so now we'll start with the varnishes. So here is the 3 varnish which I have bought till date. Yes, I've been crafting for almost 7 years, 8 years now. But these are the 3 varnishes which I've been using. So the first varnish which I bought was this one. It's a clear synthetic varnish. This is for interior and exterior both, and this comes in many sizes, but the one which I bought is 500 ml and it's very cheap. It's just for 127 rupees, and as you can see and make out with the condition of this box that I hardly use this. Yeah, it's looking a little shabby, but I have hardly used this one. I'll tell you why. So this is the picture of a canvas which I did 5-6 years back. So when I did that canvas, it was actually completely white background it had, and over the years it turned to be yellowish. Now the reason why it turned yellow, because at that point of time I was not really aware of the varnishes, so I used this one, and after 2-3 years I could see and I could make out that my canvas color is changing. It's because of this varnish. That's the culprit. Okay, so this is mostly for the exterior work, for very hardcore projects like any of your exterior projects, like for your pots, for your furniture, or something very roughly used furnitures or stuff. So you can use this varnish. Now, second, the varnish which I started using was this one, and this is such a savior for me. So this one is actually for your oil and acrylic paint, but I have used this for almost all my mixed media projects, and they have been as it is since then. There is no change, there is no yellowish color, and my projects are really good still. So this one is something which I really love, but I have used this only on my mixed media projects. Now the third one which I have been using off lately and I really love is this Aquadur PU varnish. Now you must have seen me using this small jar on my video. So this is actually this varnish. So this is a water-based varnish. You need to add some water to this. So what I did is, this is actually a very big 1 liter container. I did not find the smaller ones, and I doubt if you get the smaller size jar of this varnish. So I took some varnish in this, and the ratio was 10:2 for water. The 10 was the varnish, the 2 was the water, and I have used my clean tap water for my varnish. So this makes it more handy and more easy for me, that I just filled the half jar, added some water, and I've been using this for 3-4 months now, or I think more than that, and you can still see it has some varnish. So I really love this one. So this is the one now which I used mostly, like 99% for my decoupage projects and 1% for some here and there work. So this is the varnish which I have used on my wood base, MDF base, my plastic base, my ceramic base, my clay pot base. So I have used this in almost all the bases I could do the decoupage work. Even on my tin projects also I have used the same, and this works wonderfully. One very important thing, these two ones are odorless. There is no smell, there is no that bad odor kind of thing, so you can easily use this one has a little bit of smell, and anyways I've used this for years now. I don't use it much. Now the second thing is very important thing, these two does not changes their color even after some time. Usually the problem with the varnishes are they turn yellow over the years, which is not a good thing. That is actually going to change the look and feel of your project, which is something a big no for all the people out there, because of course when we have designed a project we know what color we wanted, what combinations we wanted, and we do not want to change that. So that's the reason I love using these two. This one I'm not sure if it comes with any bottle jar or anything, but I've always found this in spray bottle. Now this is my second bottle which I've been using, and I just shake it well and I use it on my canvas, my paper projects, my glass projects, and almost all the projects like the bases I have worked on, I have used this for my mixed media projects. Now the last very important thing, this one says that it's child safe. I really don't know like what they mean by the child safe, like what age group of kids can use this, but my daughter is 7-year-old, 7+, and she has been using this on her projects, and touch wood, till now I have not found any issues, or I have not came across any problems with this varnish. I hope I was able to answer all your queries. If you have any queries still, please do feel free to comment on the section below down, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. And yes, do not forget to subscribe, share and like. Bye bye.